Yes, people, this is your girl Aleisha Lee and welcome back to another episode of Motivational Lee. In this episode, we look at Law 41, avoid stepping into a great man's shoes. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into this. What happens first always appears better and more original than what comes after. You need to try and carve your own lane and avoid stepping into a great man's shoes. Now, in some cases, you will see that it could be difficult for children that have a famous parent or a successful parent. There is sometimes this pressure that they need to accomplish or even double their achievements to outshine them. And what this law is saying is do not get lost in that shadow or stuck in the past. You need to be able to make your own lane and establish your own name and your own identity by doing what you need to do in order to do that. This law also states that you need to gain that power and shine in your own way. Now, how does one do that? How do you avoid being in the shadow? How do you avoid stepping into someone else's great shoes? You need to recognize who you are and also the power that you own. You also need to be prepared to start from the ground zero and build your way up. You need to be prepared to do that in order for you to say that you laid the foundations yourself, you started this yourself. Now, although it says you need to start from ground zero, it does also say you would be foolish to renounce any inheritance or any assistance, at least in the beginning. But psychologically, you are starting from ground zero. Let go of things from the past. Bury those things from the past. Let go of them and focus on the future. Focus on what you are trying to achieve. Yes, we need the past to know what to do and what not to do in terms of mistakes that have been made, but you need to focus more of your energy into what you want to achieve, into what you actually do want to happen. That's where the energy needs to be focused on. In a nutshell, this law is saying to make a name for yourself. You do not have to try and do what people before you have done. You can create your own lane yourself and do what you need to do for you. You can be aware of what you do possess in terms of if you were to inherit certain things, that is great. But at the same time, you want to know in your mind that you are starting from zero and you are creating something brand new, creating a new path that will help others as well as yourself. And it will help you to avoid stepping into a great man's shoes because you are too busy creating your own steps and creating your own greatness, where in future someone will have to avoid stepping into your shoes. But yes, people, that is it for Law 41. Avoid stepping into a great man's shoes. In the next video, we look at Law 42. Strike the shepherd and the sheep will scatter. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date when that video drops. Make sure you stay blessed, have a great week, and I will catch you in the next video. Dunno, boy.